Yes. You marry me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, drinking champagne out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did?
Mpona mukwana ensawo gikwatira wano kudde ensawo tebagituuza ku ntebe okwo mmesa nina okuyigiriza No, I have to teach you.
Okay, thank you.
Nakuwa some lessons, my dear bones.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you, but no thank you, please.
okay. Let me first pull him to love.
Naye nga kubanga byasina nange ninayo kabeegi.
Yes.
I have to consoling. I have to meet my honey. Okubire tulabe. Simu baba tagijeeko. Asabe nga taliteekeze okumba yakulimbye.
Nga takinga off yaki. Nasobola my man can't. Omusajja alina ssente talumwa mutalunya mutwe naye mwabamwe. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Sijja ssente. Nze okwagala kasajja akaavu kalina kwagala nnyina.
Ani agamba wange talina kyampa.
Kakana mwami akutte. Babe. How are you doing? Babe, natuuse dda mu kafo kennyini we waŋŋambye bala masingi oliwa. Ndi ennimanga nga Kids Park. Ali mu kifo kye kimu? Oli sayidi ki? Ennimanga nga mu Kids Park. Ojja? Ojja? The baby, I'm waiting. Sagala kulinda nnyo. Ozaako okwangwa mukwano. Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Ajja.
Yes, sir.
Bakulimba.
No, let me ask you one thing. Oyagala osanyuke nnyo nga tazze?
No. Just know that your happiness is my happiness.
So,
Yes.
you can't ask me such a
No,
question.
not like nanti ayinza okuba nga disappointed. Tesaagala
My man is
nfunire.
rich. Nga disappointing atyo omuntu alabika obungi nga nze.
Okay.
I know he can't. He can't disappoint me.
Okay. Okay, darling.
He's my only babe. Atanjagala.
I know.
That's why.
Honey, tukuveyo. Shanti, please. This is my Eric.
This is
This is my no. Auntie Eric. Auntie Eric.
Wait.
Nagambye, my baby is coming. We have a date today.
Yeah.
And Tukolinde. Nakugamba baby wange ajja wano ate kiki? Ono ye baby wange. Da, baby wange, baby Eric.
Are you out of your mind?
No, please. Nagambye yangano tulina date wano ate kati gwe kiki?
He's called Jaden, not Eric.
Oh my God.
Then I'm
Are you not Eric? Nedda, sakone, are you not Eric?
Ati mwende okamanya.
Okay, do you have her number?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
Hey, oh, your number.
Ngambye ki? Kakana. Ze yabayise. Ze yakusoma ze.
Ngomwita kudiru ki?
Ati nsonga lwaki ndabayise.
Gwe, awedde yo ngo.
Ze nsonga lwaki ndabayise.
Nsonga ki?
Ati kakana.
Alologera.
Gwe.
Sirika.
Kakane mu nsonga kinakoze.
Jogeda.
Ze yabayise.
Gwe, tuwangambya kujano Eric.
Nakuyise nga nine nsonga.
Stop calling him Eric.
How about this one?
Wait, bagaye musirike muna musirike kale njogera. Kale musirike njogera. Ze njogera kale. Mukiwulira. Nakuyise nolo ne muyita. Nina adene nsonga kabayise. Bagaye kakana.
Eric, it can't be.
Kugambe kola ki?
It can't be now.
Kugambe kola ki?
Basirika. Jogeda.
Nakuyise, namuyise namwade. Kugambe date nawe ndi kugonga isawa. Mani kwana date na ngiri wangu kwana. Mani ngira mugena kujana. Isubati na wadete. Ati mukakali na bayise nga nilenzo magaye kukakana. Bagabe kola ki?
Olimwa amagezi.
Kakana nati njogera. Kakana. Kakana.
Oh my God.
Bwena kitegeera nti gwe nono muli ba mukwana.
Eric.
Udiriza. Nabe kola ki? Bwena kitegeera nti gwe nono muli ba mukwana. Ate nga mulina mwavu mulavu. Wait, I said wait.
Mulavu nani? So,
Kakana.
let me ask one thing. Kakubuza eti tuchini. Alekera ukita Eric. Yako JD. Shanti.
Wait.
Okumpita bonono. Do you communicate?
Yeah.
How?
Unazemba iso.
No, this can't be.
Mukakali nabayise nga nine ensonga. Kali mukakali mbanyonyere ensonga yabayisiza mu.
Wait.
Please. Yega ni wa Shanti.
Baila abasajja ne?
Yega ni wa
Omusajja gwe wandaga is not this one. This is JD.
Unaze.
Are you out of your mind?
Not please. This is Eric. Are you Jaden, please?
He's called JD, not Eric.
Not
Mukakali
please.
mukakali yesa.
Yeah, he's... Mukwano,
Fine, that's good. I will enter my JD.
Nagambe Eric. Kiriza byange. Nagambe Eric.
Kakana.
Nagambe
ina amanyameka.
Abi. Oli yogera tufuna yogera.
Eric.
Olwensonga muri bantu banjawo.
Bebe mumanyi.
Mumanyi.
Eric, what feelings?
Saba fulinze
How
mukakali.
comes into your Jaden?
Basirika, he's JD.
Musirike mwenna, muna musirike. Muna musirike. Manyi nsonga lwaki muli wano. Wamanyi nsonga lwaki mwenna muze wano.
I'm here for you.
Kituufu, nono naye ali wano kubanze. Kuba naye namuyise.
Nagambye ajja. Yangambe tulina date
Nakuyise nawe nolwo.
How can you communicate?
Nagambye nina date. Tewakitegeera nina date. Tewakitegedde.
Not with my babe. Oyina obulezi wabuli eyo bulabika na bwaka.
Nagambye
muyomba.
badashi.
Mukakali temuyomba. Manyi nsonga bayisiza wano. Manyi nsonga bayisiza wano.
I'm here for you.
Kaka nakunyonyera. Manyi nsonga bayisiza wano mwembi. Manyi nsonga bayisiza wano. Manyi nsonga bayisiza wano.
Nze nasekulu lwose tuyisizo nangoberedde bugoberezi.
Tagoberedde. Naye adayina programu ye wano era yemu. Kituufu yeze jayidi gwe yomanyi. Nono yayogera tu. Oye yako. Nibage mukaka.
You mean you confused us?
Bagaye kukakana manyi.
You confused us.
Mwagala manyi wati mukano mwoyo batumwagala manyi.
Katunuulira nsinga kiggooyo. Kankubuuze, wamulabira kunze. Okwano.
Wale mundetegeko n'omundaga. Wale mundetegeko n'omundaga.
Ati wamulabawo.
Namusigana naye lulwe naawe lulwe. Ageno kizula nga buli ba mukwano. Kusalawo bayite babiri.
Ng'otuyita babiri ku ddiini ki? Twenkanya ki naye?
Ati muli ba mukwano. Wali bagala mbagatte nga matanga bukyanze mwembi. Batemumanyi.
Abulanze mpoyo kulira kasasiro okusajja gwe nakulabirawo.
Buki.
Ate sibakuba nti olina ssente gwe omusajja gwe limited one. No, tetulina tugenda kwogerako. Togenda kuntuuza nze n'oyo.
Tuula nkunywa oli mukwano gwo.
Mbakooye.
Oli si mukwano gwo.
Mukwano gwange ku ddiini. Either omwo okufa okusigaza omusajja. Tetugenda kwogera, tetulina tetugenda teesa nze naye. Tetulina tugenda teesa. Tugende. Twepesa unange.
Tulagawa. Sokoleke malabadi.
Let's leave. Tugende tumulekewo.
Mulwaki mulekawo.
She's even poor.
Nakati kweta ngalire ensonga.
Wayisaani.
Kwenda.
Ono nze mulesi nze mpakite ku sente zange gwe.
Then I had a program here.
Program
Yeah, when ya you era leo kuna kurudia ya mwisi na njia.
Nagambe nsonga.
Atuka kati. Kampuni ni nsonga bashya balisi. Nakizudde nga kunono muri bamukwano. Nasagala Batenda. Natagala kubo mukubwe. Amanyi.
He's Jaden. Sasa wanze tugende tetukabuliriza. Transport kakubule. Transport kakubule. Baby, let's go. Baby, let's go. Hey.
Please.
Hey.
Marry me. Please, babe. Please. Babe.
No.
Marry me.
Babe. Babe, together. Let's. No.
Kijja togaana. Please. Please, babe. You marry me? You wanna know? Yes.
Oh.
You marry me? You marry me?
Babe, I'm here. Nzogo watwale wamu. Babe. Sister mumanyi. Bona, babe. Babe, I'm here. No, something like you got I'm like the whole Baby, I'm here. Baby, I'm not stupid.